welcome to Sylvan Mist Designs. We're working on number 9 in the Tealight series today, and I've got browns in front of me. Now today I've got a combination of deco art and the multi-surface apple barrels. So this one I've got in my palette is the honey brown, and then over here is the buttermilk. These are the two Americana. And then these two in the middle, I've got classic caramel and warm buff, and those are the apple barrel colors. Now to the apple barrel colors, I have added a tiny bit of gloss fluid medium just to make sure they're a little bit thinner and they're a little bit more suitable. They tend to be, for me at least, a little bit thicker and sometimes even a little bit stringy. Not that they've gone bad, but I did go ahead and add just a little bit of that fluid medium just to even that out a bit. Once I'm completed with this, as far as top dots are concerned, I'm not 100% sure what I want to do yet, but I'll probably either go in with a gold or a silver, and I'll show you that, but that'll be near the end when I make that decision. Okay, let's get into this one. another one finished. Now this one I did go ahead and decide on the gold. Now I know that the gold does blend in quite a bit to some of the darker colors, but I still did go ahead and add it because I really like the shimmer. I like this little bit of sparkle. I know sometimes that doesn't show up too well on camera, but my train of thought here is that if this is a candle holder, can you imagine the sparkle when you have a tea light in there that is on? Especially right around the center here. Again, you can barely see the gold. It really blends in, but I imagine that when you do get a tea light in there, it's just going to be dazzling. So I certainly hope you like that one. As always, if you guys have made it this far, please take a moment and subscribe if you're enjoying this. Drop a comment if you can think of any other color combinations or design patterns that you would like to see in the future. And I look forward to seeing you again next time. Thank you so much, take care, and have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.